Hi traders and welcome to the daily recap show for the US session yesterday, which was Wednesday the 14th of September. If you haven't already, please sign up for the Keyzone service. The link is in the box below on our YouTube channel. It's completely free and you get to come and join the Keyzone traders community, get these reports before the market opens to really add value to your trading and take advantage of these reports. So start with the S&P from yesterday. So these are the zones that we had yesterday, and from the commentary we said that acceptance below 39.18 to 39.26 could see moves lower, and 39.60 to 39.68 can offer initial resistance. So let's go and have a look at yesterday's session on the S&P. Okay, so you can see that these two areas that we spoke about really worked well on the S&P yesterday. The 39.60 to 68 offered resistance here. Unfortunately, we didn't get a really clean reversal signal from there. But if you had managed to get a nice reversal signal from that area as part of your plan, that was a really nice trade. We said that we had the 39.18 to 39.26 that we need to get acceptance below. And we saw here, we got a really nice reversal here. It was a false break of the previous day's low, of the London low. So really nice reversal, strong reversal dip below, strong reversal to take it back up to that initial resistance. So that's a really nice trade to take. Later on in the session, we did come back here. We again dipped below to grab the liquidity from this previous low. Nothing really high probability there in terms of reversal patterns. So nothing really to do there, but it did work quite well there. But those two trades there, certainly this first one for the buy was really nice. This second one, if you had managed to get a trade as per your plan, that also worked really nicely. So that's the S&P. Now let's go and have a look at the Dow. Okay, so Dow, here were the zones that we had for the Dow yesterday. In the commentary, we said the initial resistance came in at 31,270 to 31,320, and we said sustained breaks below 31,025 to 31,075 with momentum could see moves to support lower at 30,076 to 30,810. So let's go and have a look at Dow action from yesterday. Okay, so you can see we opened up here and we pushed down a very similar pattern to the S&P yesterday, where we got that false break of that 31,025 to 31,075 zone. Again, liquidity from the previous day's low, liquidity from the overnight low. Nice, real nice trade there. Took us all the way back up to that initial resistance zone. Again, nothing really clear for us in terms of pattern from there that was part of our plan, but if you'd managed to get a signal from that initial resistance zone, that was a really nice trade. The game came back down. We did in isolation put in a reversal here, considering we hadn't taken out that previous low. This is not something that I would have taken. We haven't taken that liquidity grab from that previous low. But if that had been earlier in the session, that would have been a nice trade as well. That one would have failed if you had taken that one, but like I say, not as high probability because we hadn't grabbed that liquidity from the previous session low. We did gain some form of acceptance below this zone here, but we then quickly reversed it. So if if you'd sort of taken a break down here, very difficult into this minor zone to take a trade into that, and we never saw that reversal. Never saw the acceptance below that minor zone. But if you had taken some sort of breakout trade from these lows over here and here, then that would have been a losing trade. But very tricky one to take into that minor resistance, and nothing really clean there either. So again, I think the trade of the day on both the US markets was this one early in the session from that those minor support zones, taking the liquidity with this really strong push back above the levels. So that was the US markets yesterday. Hope you managed to take advantage of it. Please let me know what you think of the reports in the comments. I hope you're having a great week, and I will speak to you again soon. Cheers.